So we have the short hair. Look at that, flowy, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing. L'Oreal, do it for yourself, all right? Beautiful. Then we have the long hair, which is very, very cute. It's wild, it's styling. Haha. And then we got the pigtails. Oh, we have pigtails, so we can be sporty. Look at that. Chat, do you like it? You like the pigtails? Oh. Hey. And we have my favorite hair toggle of all. I think Rainley really had fun with this one. He loves doing this for other people. So if you commission him, you should definitely ask him to get this hair done. Aren't I beautiful? Best one yet! Best one yet! Let's go! Let's go! Lies? What do you mean lies? So for anyone who's gonna commission Rainley in the future, please do take note. He really likes doing bald toggles. He takes great honor in it, especially because he as well is a fellow baldy and wants his children to resemble him. No horns. I'm honestly a fake demon girl. The horns are part of my wig and my tail is an ass plug. You're welcome for that information.